Hey Mom, here's my machine. It's in the garage. It's running off a temporary wire on the ground. Anyways, I thought I'd show you what it can do. There's actually a program loaded on the computer here. I have no idea what all those numbers mean, but it makes it do this. Okay, this here is the table that I put stuff on. This will actually hold a tool. I don't have any tools, I have to buy them. And this is where it stores the tools. I can put up to 10 tools there. Now, the door usually has to be closed for it to work, but I'll give you an example of what it can do. Here we go. Okay, and now we're gonna go and run this program. So it's grabbing a tool. It's gonna go down. Now it's actually spinning. You can see it. And the table is moving around. It's gonna go back. And it's gonna get back, it's gonna change tool again. Keep changing the tool. Come down. Ooh. And that's it. And the program. So, kind of boring. Kind of cool. Anyways, hope you enjoyed it. Sorry it's so late. Long night. Talk to you later.